Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to understand the value that Time Machine gives to the Mac operating system's backup. You will see what it can do for your Mac when Apple gives you some dirty update and see how you can restore your Mac to the time where it was working absolutely fine. That's why it's called a time machine. It can take your Mac back in time. Hey, my name is Vibhor. I'm an accountant, business analyst, and an IT geek from Melbourne. I like to share my knowledge through the YouTube videos which I make time to time. If you're new over here, please do subscribe. That being said, let's continue. So since 10.15.6 update on my Mac OS, my MacBook Pro has been acting really weird. I get these kernel panics on which I anyways made a video earlier. I was not able to resolve this since a long time. I tried SMC reset, I tried TV RAM reset, nothing resolved the situation. So what I'm doing today is taking my Mac back to a time when it was actually working fine through the time machine restore. So let's see how to do it. So before we go to the time machine to do the restore, let's see what Mac operating system we have. So I have right now 10.15.6. To do the restore, let's restart the system. So on your Mac system, while starting, press Command and R. That will boot in the system recovery mode. So just be patient. This is going to take some time to boot into system recovery. So once you're booted, it's going to ask you about the administrator account. So you need to give in the administrator account details and password to log into the recovery partition. Okay, once you log in, this is where the entire magic happens. So you'll have Mac OS utility screen in front of you. The first option is to restore from the time machine backup. If you don't have a time machine backup, you can actually go to the second option and reinstall a fresh copy of Mac operating system. Keep in mind that everything on your drive would be deleted. But over here we have our time machine backup. So we'll select our first option and click continue. Now we have to provide the system restore source partition to the system. It is a good time to have your external drive or the NAS partition attached to the system. Over here I have my time machine on my Vibhor NAS server. So I already have that connected. I'll select that and click on continue. macOS will search for all the time machine backups of your system on the connected drive. Over here you can see I have got the latest backups which are all 10.15.6. I want to go back to 10.15.5. So I'll select the 10th of July backup which I have. You can select whichever backup you want to restore to. I'll select the 10.15.5 which was the latest backup on 18th of July 2020. Once you click continue, it's going to ask you for your hard drive partition on your Mac on which you want to restore your entire system. I already have just single partition. I'll select that. It's going to give me a warning that everything would be erased from the drive. I already know that and I want to do that. I'll just click OK and let Mac do the restore. Now the process has started of restoration. Now just sit back, relax, let the Mac do the process. Based on your data and the size of your partition, it might take roughly around 4 to 5 hours or even more than that. Because for me, it took roughly around 2.5 hours and it is finishing the restore process. Alright, so we are finally booted into the Mac operating system. Everything is as it was when the backup was taken at 10.15.5. Let's just confirm that. Go to about this Mac and yep, it is back to 10.15.5, version 19F101, the version to which we finally backed. All in all, it took me like 10 minutes to set up and then Mac did its own task. It took Mac approximately I think 3.5 hours. to do everything and bring it back to my 10.15.5 version. I hope you like it, guys, and that might resolve your issues that you are facing with your Mac system right now. And if you are facing your Mac system issues, you can go back to your previous time machine backups, provided you have taken your backups. So please do take your backups, and I have a video linked in the description section which will explain how you can take your time machine backups. I hope you like this video, guys. Do like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video.